Telesin, at the time of this recording, was $35.99, but it all... Hey, welcome back to Moto Photo Adventures YouTube channel. I'm Jason Bennett, here with a little tip to teach you how to make your video not suck. If you're watching this video, then you're probably a fan of action cameras just like we are. Whether you use them to record family sessions or you're using them to record your journey across the entire United States. One of the things that you have to consider is how to mount it to the thing that you're using. Whether you're skateboarding or surfing or snowboarding, you have to mount it somewhere. Well, whether you are a traditionalist and like the GoPro slide mounts like Chris does with the adhesive 3M that sticks everywhere, or you are like me and you prefer the ram arm and the ram ball mount, or you are like Steve where it's baling wire, staples, duct tape, and a little bit of freshly chewed Wrigley Spearmint gum, your choice is up to you. But we're going to check out the suction cup from GoPro and the newcomer, Telesin, in a segment we like to call, Does It Suck? This is the GoPro suction mount. It is a nice, handy, reliable suction cup with the slide GoPro mount. Lots of places that you can put them that the ball mount may not go. Whether it's on a flat surface on your tank to see forward, or if it's on a slightly curved spot over here on the front, may be just the thing that you're looking for. Now what we're going to do is we're going to test the reliable GoPro suction cup with the Telesin little less expensive model. We know these work. Let's see how this one does. So let's find out where the GoPro sticks, and then we'll see if the Telesin does just as well. Let's start with an easy one. Let's say you want to see this bike from the perspective of this one. One thing that we have to make sure of is it's a clean surface. There's some stickers on here, so it's going to probably give us a hard time. Let's find out. Just like I thought. No go if you got stickers. Let's find a clean spot on the top. Now that's what we're talking about. Good job. Moving on. How about a little bit more of a challenge? We have a slight curved space on this front headlight. Maybe we want to see out front. Let's find out if that works. Well done, GoPro. Moving on. To a more curved surface, the front of this windshield might pose a little bit of a challenge because of the small surface area of the suction cup. Let's give it a whirl. What do you know? GoPro does it again. Moving on. And for around 40 bucks, GoPro did a good job just like we thought it did. Now it's time to test the newcomer. The $30 competitor. It is a very nice box until it got beat up by the Amazon delivery guy. But let's open it and see what it comes with. Now we have a bonus already because it does come with a ram ball style mount for it, which the GoPro does not. Of course, we have the normal accessory, the screws and the mounts. Let's go ahead and take this out and see what we've got. Very nice. It looks like it's well put together. I can tell you right now that the surface area is not quite as large as the GoPro, so we may have a bit of a challenge keeping up with the GoPro. Let's go check it out. Once you got it out of the box and admired the large booklet of instructions that we men don't need, we're going to test it to see how it compares against the GoPro in the same spots that we did the GoPro. First of all, on a sticker. Nothing. Stickers are the kryptonite of suction cups. Does it suck? No. Top side. As expected, no surprise, it held pretty good. Tightened down the ram ball. Yeah, that's nice. Let's move on. The curved headlight. Now remember, a small curve did well with the GoPro in the large surface area of the suction cup. Now it's time for the Telesin to try to keep up. Oh, so far so good. Good job for the little contender. Moving on to the next big challenge with the big curve from the windshield. I have my doubts. Can't give up on the first try. Mama didn't tell me to quit. We think we might have met the match. It's the surface area that is the downfall of the Telesin. Not enough square inches to make that curve. But what did we find out? Well, for the GoPro at 40 bucks and the Telesin at 30, with 4 different positions that we tried, they came out almost equal. About 75% is good. I'd say that's pretty good for 75% of the cost. When comparing these two items, you have to take into consideration the design. First of all, the suction cup's on the bottom. The GoPro is a little bit larger than the Telesin, so I'm supposing that the surface area it'll be connected to might be a little bit more secure than the Telesin. But one of the things that the Telesin does outweigh the GoPro in is the maneuverability of the mount itself. GoPro has just the up and down portion of the clip. Now, of course, you can add some things on top to make a pivot, but the Telesin already comes with it. It's a ram ball style, so you already have a 360-degree rotation, as well as some adjustments on the top, and where the GoPro clicks to its clip itself. Tell us what you think in the comments, and oh, by the way, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and make sure you